welcome back my friends to the channel. Today, you guys see by the title, doing an oil service on my motorcycle. I think by what the KTM dealer said, because my bike is pretty much a brand new bike. When I first got it, I only had like 3,000 and something miles on it. So they said this, when I do oil service on this, pretty much will be the first oil service. Only got the filter and the oil. Most people, when they do oil service on bikes, there's two filters, like the little screen filters. It's your first. If it's the first time, like if you first oil up service, they say you just clean it with brake clean and put it back in. So that's what I'm gonna do. I just bought the filter and oil. I'm just gonna spray out the screens and call it good. So my next oil change, I'm gonna replace everything, all the oil rings, all the everything. So yeah, it's hot. It's already hot. Again, I'm in California, so it's really hot out here. But let's get to the video and show you guys what to do. So this is what I got. I already took off the cover. It's gonna be 2 10s and 2 Allen wrenches that goes in the front. Let's see, right here, it goes Allen. I only got these like this, but it's 2 Allens, one in the front right here, and 2 10s. Check the undercover off. That's if you have a Duke and you have that on there. So first thing you want to drain out is this bolt right here. It's an 18, and there's another one right here. You want to drain those two out with oil. So that's what I'm going to do right now. This one is I think a 13. Yeah, I think this one is a 13. But yeah, I'll loosen the bolt and drain them out and show you guys. These two is the one with, I think, the screen. This one and this one. But it's one of those. But you know, oil filter, the main oil filter is on the other side. Let's get to the video. I'll show you guys loosening it and taking it apart. They're gonna fill up pretty fast. I'm gonna grab another one and be right back. I don't have an oil drain right now, so don't judge me. I don't have a thing, oil catch. So I just use this bucket. This thing is dirty anyway, so it doesn't matter. So yeah, I used to have a oil bucket, but I don't know what happened to it. So I'm gonna let this drain, and yeah, this is it. Oil. Look how dirty it is. It was time for oil service. But yeah, so that's the main drain bolt. On the Dukes, there's 2 of them. There's that one and the one I'll show you in the front. The one in the front is the one with the screen on it. This is where the filter is at, oil filter. And take these 2, I think these are 8s, 2 8s. Take it out. Oh, it even says oil filter. See, oil filter. Use the 2 8s. Take them out. Or maybe the 8s, 8s or 10s. I don't know. Let's see. I think these are 8s. But yeah, you take it out. Oil filters right here, and yeah, I'll probably lean the bike a little bit over, get some of the oil out from the filter. Yeah. Oh, you take off. This is the oil cap. Should have took this off first, so it can drain faster. But this is the oil cap. Set this side right here. But yeah. that drain out. Beautiful Mazda over there, guys, looking pretty. She's dirty, but there's beautiful Mazda right there. Sexy thing. But back to the bike. So yeah, so like it's already drained out. Take out, loosen the other one. So I'm gonna loosen the other one so you guys can see. Whoa, that was loose. Yeah, this ratchet too, for some reason there's a ratchet. Yeah, this one's loose. So that was loose, guys. This is the screen. Yeah, it might show you guys. This is the screen. Usually you want to change out when they get like, you see like gunk and debris all up in it, but look, if you can look, there you go, it's all clean. Like I said, KTM dealer said this is pretty much a brand new bike. I got it used, but like I said, I only had like 3,000 miles, I think like 3,500 miles on it when I got it. So I don't need to replace the oil rings. I can just spray it with brake clean and call it good. So I'm gonna set this to the side and let that drain out. I'm gonna grab my brake clean and just spray it out. So give me a second, I'm gonna let this drain and I'll be right back to you guys. All right, so it's drained. It's like a little small drip. So once it's like that, that's when you can put your drain plug in the other drain plug with the stand with the screen. Look, I cleaned it with brake clean, all clean, no debris. Well, there's no debris when I pulled it out. So, but if you see a bunch of debris on the screen, then that's when you change the oil. Like I said earlier, KTM said it's probably like my first, maybe the second oil service on this bike. So I don't have to change out the screen. So I'm just gonna put this back, clean it, put it back in, and go with the oil, with the filter. Again, when I do my third service on this, that's when I will replace like the old rings to get a new drain plug, get a new the second drain plug with the screen on it and stuff like that. But right now I don't need to, so that's what we're gonna do for now. This is the oil I got Motul. And the filter. So this is the filter, K&N filter I got. This is Motul. Look at this, $20. But you guys know about this oil. This oil is really good. I use this for my Mazda now. My last oil service, the last two service I did on it, I've been using Motul. So this is a good brand. So this is the oil I'm using. Like I said, this is the K&N filter. So I'm gonna put the drain plugs back in and go to the next, or go to the other side, show you guys the filter, stuff like that. For the bolts, it only had to be, I think, like 8 millimeters, 20, I think 25. That's the reason mine is kind of really loose. Why? I don't have a torque wrench, so I just do it by hand. Boom. Good. This is, I forgot, I knew it was 2 screens, forgot. But this is the second one. First one, again, I see a little bit debris, but it's not bad. Like I said, just spray with brake clean and put it back in. So give me a few on that, spray it, put it back in, and get going on the next side, on the other side. All right, put the screen back in. Bolt is tight and had this hand tight. Same with this side. So just go on this side for the filter. Filter's on this side. So these, like I said, these are the 8. So I'm gonna put you guys down. Take off. Oh, what the heck? Anyways, put you guys down. This is your filter. Took out the filter work. So maybe this will work. A little handle. There we go. There you go. And these are two 8s. This is the O-ring that you can replace. Like I said, mine is pretty much new. I don't have a magnet, but you can get like a flathead or something. All right, so I got the filter pulled out. What I did, cause I didn't have no tool. I think a flathead you can do it, but I didn't want to score the side. So what I did, I just got this, like this, just put in the middle, hit it a little bit, punctured it, and pull it out. So this is a filter. That's a seal right here. So set that to the side. Let that drain. I just set it in here. I have a little drain thing or a bucket to catch it in. But yeah, this is what it looks like inside. So yeah. So I took the bike over to the side a little bit so all that can drain. The rest of it can drain out. Put the new one in and top it off. So drain a little bit. I'm gonna clean it a little bit. So get your filter. This is your K&N filter that came with that I got. This seal goes in this way. A little bump that's right here goes in the back. So this goes in like this. And just push it. Boom. And that's it. Get your cap. Tighten it. Again, these don't have to be that tight. hand type. Boom. Hand type. And that's it. Everything is drained. So next step is I'm gonna put the bottom cover back on, clean up my mess, and show you guys refilling it. So I'm gonna clean up and get back to you guys. Alright guys, well everything is tightened up, all the drain plugs, filters and stuff, screens is clean, put the new filters in, plug them down with my hands. So next step is putting oil in the tank. So my Duke takes 1.87 quarts. So what you want to do is, you want to put a 1 full quart, like a quart, the full quart and a quarter of this, and turn the bike on so it can recirculate inside or whatever. It can circulate in the chambers. Then once you do that, turn it off. Then you put the rest in there. But when before you put the rest in there, you have to have the bike pretty much someone standing on it and lean it pretty much standing up position. If you were sitting on the bike, you want it like that so you can see the level. It has to be between these lines right here. No one's not here to sit on it, so I'm gonna try my best to do it just me. I'm gonna probably have the bike facing this way, going this way, so it's not down like the hill. So let's get going. Bike's facing the other way, so let's try to fill it up. So it has a little cap, not a little cap, but like a little nozzle where you can dump it easy. So I'm gonna try to do that. If not, I'm trying to find some type of funnel. I've got to bring one, so let's give it a try. A slow process since I'm not using a funnel. Here's the first one. open the other one, put a little bit, like a quarter in there, then we'll put the top back on and turn it on, let it go on the chambers, then put the rest up in it. Cap back on, turn it back on for a little bit, just go in the chambers, then put the rest in there. So, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it back on for a little bit. Turn the bike on. So now you want to fill it up till it gets to the. You want to fill it up till it gets to the line. So what you want to do, you want to tip the bike over like this. See, it's like if you're standing on it, and you just have to fill up till that goes between. So I'm gonna try to do that, and get back to you guys. So I made like a little funnel, kinda. I mean, it might work. I can put it right here while I'm tipping it over. And if it doesn't work right, then I guess I gotta do with something. So I'm gonna work with this for now and fill this baby up. Oil. So it's like it's good. Like it's sitting upwards. Yeah, it looks like it's good. Like sitting upwards. That balance is good. Yeah, that's good. Good like that. Call it good. All right, guys. So you guys see me drain the oil from the 2 drain plugs. The screen, cleaned it, put both the drain plugs back in. You guys see me take off the filter cap, put the new filter, put the cap back on, or the filter and the cap back on, and topped it off. So the next step is to reset your oil. So instead of you doing your own oil service on your bike, you don't have to take it to no dealer or whatever. You do it yourself. So all you do is on the Dukes, you just do this. Put it on position. So your button's right here. You go to set. You go to preference. You press these 2 arrows up and down at the same time. Now this is the stage where you set your mileage. So this bike was miles due on the 300 miles. So you just push the set button, this one right here, and it goes up. See, it goes up. So I'm gonna put it on 45. That's what it's be on the bike. So I'm gonna set it at 45. That's when my next oil service will be until it hits 45,000 miles or 4,500 miles. So you just hold the set button till it resets to the screen. You hold it. Boom. So now you're set. Turn the bike off. Turn it back on. Put the set. Now you go to preference. Go to service. can see now it's set to 45 or 4,500, you know, 4,499, same thing. And that's how you do it. So my next oil change is due 2000 next year, or when it gets to this miles. And there you go, guys. That's how you do your own oil service on your 2020 Duke 390. I don't know if other bikes has 2 drain plugs like that. I know most of the Dukes are like that. I don't know about the other bikes. I'm just doing it for my bike. It's just what it shows on mine. But yeah, it's pretty simple. Simple as doing an oil change on the car. Same thing. But yeah, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching the video. Next video on, I don't know, I think I'm getting the new chain, upgraded chain that's orange, no mesh bike. And I'm thinking about getting a few things for the Mazda Speed, so look out for the videos for those 2 things on the bike chain and the Mazda Speed. Again, I still got stuff doing on for the Mazda Speed. I didn't forget about it. I just showing love for the bike. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Hit that the bell. Let me if you want to see more videos like this. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.